But from the WCD side, I really want to thank you, Gary, and your team. You know, I think I was the one that met with you guys right after I was appointed in this position, and I know Mr. Jolly came down, and they were actually struggling since 2015 to get this program going. And then at last, the department bites into this program, and I think we don't regret it for one day. And I'm very happy to say that we had the partnership in 2020 when we rolled out the Jollyphonics to our grade ones to see how can we now assist the teachers that was trained, but then suddenly it was locked down and they couldn't really implement like they would or like they had to. And then the grade twos was saying, but now we're getting grade one learners that's actually not yet where they should be because of COVID, and we had to look at that. So yes, it was a journey. But today I'm happy to say that we are in the process of, as Gary has said, to finalize MOA. It's currently at Legal Services, and we are really very appreciative for your support. You don't often get a partnership for whom it's not about the money, but it's about the kids. And this is a partnership where it goes about our learners. Thank you for what you're going to put into the Western Cape. We are committed to improve leading in this province, and we're looking forward to take hands with you. Thank you.